Looking to refresh or repair your leather accessories? Kaps Super Color is your go-to high-quality dye, perfect for natural leather, faux leather, and fabric. Whether fixing scratches, abrasions, or redying shoes and bags, this strong and permanent dye delivers fantastic results. Each bottle includes a handy brush and sponge applicator for easy use, made in Europe by a family business with decades of leather expertise. Kaps Super Color helps you restore and personalize your items effortlessly. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to restore your leather furniture to its original beauty? Furniture Clinic Leather Dye is here to help. With 24 vibrant and true-to-life colors, this easy-to-apply repair paint and dye is perfect for fixing scuffs, scratches, and areas where the color has faded. Save time and money by refreshing your leather pieces yourself. Whether it's your sofa, chair, or car seats, Furniture Clinic Leather Dye makes repair simple and effective. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Kaps Suede Dye, a premium product from a trusted family business established in the early 1990s. Designed to restore and transform your suede footwear, this dye offers vibrant, lasting color with quality you can rely on. Made in the European Union, Kaps Suede Dye combines innovation, environmental care, and expert craftsmanship. Whether you want to refresh or completely change your shoes look, this product is your perfect solution. Find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Get your footwear looking brand new with the Shoe Clinic Dye Kit. This complete kit makes it easy to restore, refresh, and transform the color of your shoes right at home, delivering professional quality results. Crafted with high-quality, water-resistant, crack-resistant, and color-fast leather paint, it ensures a durable finish that lasts. Suitable for leather and fabric shoes like trainers, boots, and sandals, it's available in 12 vibrant shades. Extend the life, choose and save money while reducing waste. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to revitalize your worn-out suede and nubuck items? The Kaps Suede Dye is your perfect solution. With its professional-grade formula, it provides rich, lasting color that deeply penetrates leather fibers, covering scuffs and fading beautifully. The built-in brush makes application easy and precise even in hard-to-reach areas. Whether you want to refresh shoes, bags, or furniture, this dye will restore or transform your items with vibrant, durable color. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Revive and refresh your worn suede and nubuck footwear with the Kaps Suede Restorer. This easy-to-use aerosol spray restores the original color, revitalizes the fabric's nap, and conditions the material to keep it soft and breathable. Available in 13 shades plus. A transparent, nourishing formula, it's perfect for shoes, boots, jackets, and accessories. Simply spray, wait 15 minutes, and brush for beautifully renewed look. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment.